Welcome to today's episode, where we dive deep into the world of cognitive enhancement. Our topic is 5 steps to increase your brain power. Whether you're studying for exams, trying to excel at work, or just interested in keeping your mind sharp as you age, these steps will provide practical, research-backed techniques that can help you boost your mental capabilities. Let's break down these steps one by one, with insights into why they work and how you can integrate them into your daily life. Step 1. Engage in regular physical exercise. You might be surprised, but one of the most effective ways to boost your brain power isn't by sitting down with a book. It's through regular physical exercise. Physical activity has been proven to increase neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to form new neural connections. This is crucial for learning, memory retention, and overall cognitive function. How does exercise benefit the brain? When you engage in aerobic exercises like running, swimming, or cycling, your heart pumps more blood to your brain, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients. It stimulates the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which helps your brain cells grow and thrive. But it's not just aerobic exercises that help. Even strength training and yoga have been shown to have cognitive benefits, improving focus, memory, and executive function. What should you do? Start small. Aim for 20-30 minutes of moderate exercise 3 to 5 times a week. If you can't make it to the gym, simple activities like walking or doing bodyweight exercises at home can still make a difference. Mix it up. Combine cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises to target different aspects of brain health. Step 2. Optimize your diet for brain health. Your brain is a highly energy-demanding organ, using about 20% of your daily caloric intake. What you eat has a direct impact on your brain's performance. A diet rich in antioxidants, good fats, vitamins, and minerals provides the energy and nourishment your brain needs to function at its best. Brain-boosting foods. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, these are essential for brain health. Omega-3s build brain cell membranes, promote new neuronal connections, and improve learning and memory. Antioxidants. Blueberries, dark chocolate, and green tea are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your brain from oxidative stress. B vitamins. Essential for brain function, they can be found in leafy greens, eggs, and avocados. Vitamin B12, in particular, is vital for preventing brain shrinkage and maintaining cognitive sharpness. Complex carbohydrates. These provide a steady energy supply to the brain. Foods like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes help maintain balanced glucose levels, improving focus and mental stamina. What should you do? Follow a balanced diet. Incorporate whole foods, particularly fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can impair concentration and memory. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day or more if you're physically active. Step 3. Get quality sleep. Sleep is often the most overlooked aspect of brain health. Yet, it is during sleep that your brain consolidates memories, clears out toxins, and recharges itself for the next day. Why sleep matters. Sleep enhances cognitive functions such as problem-solving, creativity, and memory. When you enter the deepest stages of sleep, your brain waves slow down, and it's at this point that memory consolidation happens. Studies have shown that people who get adequate sleep perform better in memory-related tasks and have improved cognitive function. How can you improve your sleep? Stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock, improving sleep quality. Create a bedtime routine. A relaxing pre-sleep routine such as reading or meditating can help signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Limit screens before bed. The blue light from screens interferes with melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed. Step 4. Engage in mental stimulation. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Mental exercises and challenges are critical for maintaining and increasing brain power. How can you stimulate your brain? Lifelong learning. Keep your brain sharp by constantly learning new skills or hobbies. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, learning a new language, or taking up a new craft, the process of mastering something new forces your brain to form new connections. Brain games and puzzles. Sudoku, crosswords, chess, and memory games are all effective at keeping your brain engaged and sharp. Research has shown that regularly challenging your brain with such activities can delay the onset of cognitive decline. Reading and writing. Reading activates multiple brain areas, improving comprehension and analytical skills. Writing, especially journaling or creative writing, can also help enhance memory and emotional regulation. What should you do? Challenge yourself daily. Set aside 15-30 minutes every day for brain-stimulating activities. Diversify your challenges. Keep things fresh by rotating through different activities, such as reading, puzzles, and learning new skills. Step 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety can cloud your thinking, reducing focus and memory retention. This is where mindfulness and meditation come in. These practices not only reduce stress but also strengthen brain regions associated with attention, emotional regulation, and memory. Why mindfulness works. When you meditate, you're essentially training your brain to focus and eliminate distractions. Over time, this enhances your ability to concentrate, improves memory, and even increases the size of your brain's prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for higher-order thinking and decision-making. Studies have shown that people who practice mindfulness and meditation experience less cognitive decline with age. Additionally, these practices can improve sleep quality, further boosting brain health. What should you do? Start small. Just 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation each day can have noticeable benefits. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through the process. Practice mindful breathing. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, take a few deep breaths to center yourself. This can help calm your mind and improve focus. Progressively increase your meditation time. As you become more comfortable, aim for longer sessions to deepen the cognitive benefits. In conclusion, we will discuss the power of small changes. Increasing your brain power isn't about making radical changes all at once. It's about consistent, small improvements across various aspects of your life. By incorporating physical exercise, maintaining a brain-healthy diet, getting enough sleep, engaging in mental stimulation, and practicing mindfulness, you can gradually enhance your cognitive abilities. Start by choosing one of these 5 steps today, and with time, you'll notice significant improvements in your memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. Remember, brain power is like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger and sharper it becomes. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in to our discussion on 5 steps to increase your brain power. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to share it with friends or family who might also be looking to boost their mental fitness. Until next time, keep your brain sharp, stay curious, and remember, small habits can lead to great improvements.